Well, hope everybody's going to have an enjoyable, happy Easter. I'm outside for a walk with my buddy Leo down there on the trail. I don't know if you can see him. It's 44 degrees, it's windy, it's overcast, but I'm alive. I survived cancer. I asked Jesus to save me. He saved me, you know. The answer is Jesus. I mean, when we pass this great earth, I go below, walk in heaven. I hope I make it to heaven. I mean, I've done some bad things in my life, but anyways, you know, when I've had nothing, I've had Jesus. Make me think of a story. It's a real experience to me. My parents were away out of town, going to my aunt and uncle's for Easter. I had no friends. Nobody invited me over. I had friends, but nobody invited me anywhere. So I decided, I'm going to go fishing. Just went down along the Clarendon River, down about Chapman Corner, and I was fishing, didn't catch anything. It was kind of like a day like today, overcast, wind. So I had some leftover canned foods, some canned meats in the trunk of the car. I just kind of kept there for survival food. Had a pan. So I made a little campfire ring out of some river rocks. I started to cook up my food. Some poor lady stopped and tried to give me a handful of money, and I refused it. She's like, "You're homeless, you're living in a car." I said, "It's out of town." That's a kindness, that's a spirit. That shows you, God exists. Goodness, love, kind, consideration. That's what Jesus and being a Christian and everything is about.